Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new for 2018 RACER Race Carbon Winter Glove. So let me talk you through a few of the features that make this glove so unique. So new technology from RACER this year. What we've done is taken all the insulation out of the palm and put it all on the back of the hand. So it's specifically designed for people who have heated grips. So a lot more riders doing a lot more miles in all sorts of weather conditions, touring, commuting. And what we've created is something that allows all that heat from your heated grip to get straight into your hand, keep you warm, but also reducing the wind chill and keeping you warm on the back of the hand. This is perfect for anyone with heated grips. Let me talk to you about a few of the other features of the glove. If you come down to the bottom here, you'll see we've got a full wrist closure with a reflective area, a bit of active safety running on the wrist. Coming up all leather all the way to the top of the knuckle with a carbon knuckle. This is a CE approved glove, so it is a proper protective knuckle plate. So you're getting great protection in the whole back of this glove. Running up the fingers, we're using a soft shell material with small armour plates in the finger as well. So you're getting good protection plus increased flexibility in those areas. Running on the top of the fingers, you've got leather tips, so it's going to increase the durability of the glove in those areas. And then you've got soft shell inlays inside the fingers, again increasing the comfort of this product. Coming back around to the side, you've got leather inlay over the little finger. As we know, if you have a low side, your little finger's going to be the first thing to hit the ground. It needs that extra protection on that side of the glove. If we come around to the palm of the glove, now as you can see, it's a full Bikerheadz leather palm. You're getting really good protection from this glove around the palm. Top of the index finger, you can still use a mobile phone. It has got those pads in that mean it's going to work with all your mobile phones, iPads, any of those type of items. Coming down to the business area, so you've got a carbon scaphoid slider and a super fabric slider. The super fabric slider in the middle to give a bit more flexibility, and the carbon slider to allow you to slide away from the accident without putting undue pressure on your scaphoid or your collarbone. Coming down, you've got a proper wrist closure to stop the glove coming off in the event of an accident. So the RACER gloves all come with a 3-year warranty, absolutely unheard of in the motorcycle industry. So you know you're getting a good quality product. It's a fully waterproof glove with RACER's own aqua membrane, which works superbly well. So for any more information on this glove or any of the other RACER gloves in the range, please go to tranam.co.uk or check out our Facebook page, Bikerheadz.